What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SoFi stock. This is going to be an absolutely amazing video. Right now, there is a massive disconnect on Wall Street from what the analysts are saying to what SoFi management team is saying. I trust in management because they have not led us wrong so far. We've had, 17 out of 19 triple B earnings guidance raises, and analysts on Wall Street are still throwing around $4, $5, $6 price targets, pricing the company off tangible book value, a legacy banking metric. When SoFi just dropped a new business segment, the LPB loan platform business, which is going to cause more fee-based revenue to come in by originating loans for other companies on behalf of their own capital. Guys, this company is turning into a tech company faster and faster and faster. And as of right now, I have a price target on the stock of $22, and I still believe we can eclipse the $20 level by the end of the year for a Santa rally over the next 4 weeks. I'm going to show you inside of this video, even with the loan platform business generating that 42 million in fee-based revenue right off of the last Q3 earnings, the analysts on Wall Street have still not adjusted their numbers accordingly, especially when it comes to EPS. As of right now, SoFi has not really gave us a firm 2025 EPS. They kind of left Wall Street guessing and just put out the 2026 EPS guidance of 55 to 80 cents. So right now, they gave the opportunity for analysts on Wall Street to do a little bit more due diligence in 2025. And the analysts on Wall Street failed miserably because once you see the comps right now that the analysts are putting out for next year, remember, guys, we're starting next year in 30 days. 2024 is almost over. These guys are just not following the company accordingly, and it is going to leave them, losing out on rankings and losing credibility. And I love that because I'm on the other side. I'm not on the stupid Wall Street analyst legacy banking price to book value. I'm on, the future. I know where SoFi is going. More fee-based revenue, more diverse revenue streams. And guys, I'm telling you right now, everything's going to pay off in 2025 because the CEO, after being with the company for 7 years, has finally came out and said, we see massive tailwinds in 2025. This is the year we've been waiting for. Lower interest rates, new administration. I'm telling you right now, these guys survive, no student loans for the past, 4 years. Everything is going to flow all at once, and this is going to become a real fintech tech company, and they're going to diversify out of lending faster and faster. Guys, I'm telling you right now, I've just seen 20 SoFi commercials in the last 48 hours. I believe they are doing this because they're trying to fill the demand for this loan platform business, because I think they got massive deals kicking in right now, and they're going after those originations for those other companies on behalf of their own capital. Fee-based revenue is going to skyrocket this next quarter. I wouldn't be surprised if we've seen the loan platform business, double from here inside of Q4. This is the home run quarter. I'm very excited. So be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get the video to 1,500 likes for the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate all the support. Let's try and blow past 25,000 subscribers. You should see a big difference in the audio because, I've upgraded the equipment, as of last night, Black Friday, did a little shopping. And I have to thank you guys for just being here, watching these videos, and showing the support. I really appreciate it. So, yeah, that's what we're doing for you guys. We're upgrading the equipment. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, check this out, okay? This is the SoFi, Q3 earnings. Take a look at what we had, okay? We had $691 million in revenue, 34% growth. Does that look like a company that should be priced on tangible book value when you're growing 34%? Makes no sense at all. Net income, $61 million, 122% growth, and a very, very solid, this is on the first year of profitability, 5 cents EPS, earnings per share, guys. This is 266% growth. But let's just do a little bit of a, run rate on the 5 cents EPS. If SoFi was to not grow their EPS from here, what are we looking at, guys? We're looking at, 4 quarters, 20 cents. Just times this by 4. No growth at all. 20 cents as of Q3. What do you think they're going to be doing for Q4? Do you think they're going backwards with the loan platform business? trying to hit 1 million members. Do you think they're going back to 4 cents? Well, as you guys can see, once again, we have the analyst on Wall Street at a 3 cent EPS, okay, projection. Absolutely crazy, okay? They did 4 cents last year, Q4. So we're going back down from Q3 last quarter to Q4 this quarter. We're going from 5 cents back to 3 cents. I just don't know where the analysts on Wall Street, get these numbers exactly. We just showed you $698 million in revenue. Hey, they got SoFi coming back down $20 million for Q4. Let's pull it back on revenue again. 14% growth. Do you see what I'm talking about, guys? The disconnect right here. This is just making it too easy at this point. And Anthony Noto said we're not going to go more aggressive until we see a multiplier in the stock. We're not taking the risk because the stock is not doing anything. We're not getting paid for the performance that we're doing. But guess what? The stock is skyrocketing after that Q3. So I think they're going to let it rip out of this world this Q4, which is literally, guys, 2 months away. This is going to be the quarter where they just unleash everything. I think we're going to see tech platform pick up, lending is going to pick up, the loan platform business is going to pick up, everything in financial services. You're going to see assets under management grow. Kathy Wood's ARK Invest venture fund is going to keep bringing over more members. This is the quarter, guys. I really don't have a prediction yet, but I'm telling you right now, they're not going backwards $20 million on revenue, and they're also not going backwards 2 cents on EPS. And let's just look at, what the 5 analysts have right now for next year. This is right here, the average estimate, guys, 24 cents. What did we just say? If they just keep the run rate of Q3, we're at 20 cents, okay? So assuming SoFi does not grow from Q3 last quarter for the next 5 quarters, 20 cents, okay? I believe we're going to potentially see, a increase in EPS from Q3 instead of 5. I think we're going to go to 6 to 7. So let's just assume we get 6 cents, a 1 cent EPS increase. That'll probably bring profitability up to $75 million or something like that. I think they're going to go a lot higher. But even at 6 cents, we are at 24 cents EPS on a forward run rate, 4 quarters in a row. So if SoFi does not grow the entire 2025, keeps the exact same EPS of this next upcoming quarter, Q4, no growth at all, we already hit the EPS numbers from analysts on Wall Street. Do you guys see what I'm talking about right here? This is ridiculous. What is happening, okay? I don't know if it's fraud, incompetence. I don't know what is going on with these analysts, but guess what? If the stock is multiplying, these dudes are making it way too easy. Let's just obliterate these next Q4 estimates of 677 and 3 cents. Let's just destroy it, okay? And of course, you can see right here, the analysts on Wall Street have lost all of credibility. You have a $10 average estimate between 14 analysts, and you have a 4 at the lowest, a 5 and a 6, all pricing the company off the exact same metrics, tangible book value. That's why the valuation is so low. You got 3 guys at 4, 5, and 6. And the highest price target isn't even 16 yet. We haven't had Jeffrey's update yet, which is coming in about $19. So you got guys at 19, you got guys at 4. There's a disconnect, okay? Even the analyst at $19, you should see how low his estimates are right now, guys. It's absolutely incredible the disconnect we have right now. And you can see it's not just the analysts on the disconnect of SoFi. It's also, Wall Street institutions that are betting against SoFi for the past 3 years. They just haven't grasped the transition that the company has made. Look at the short interest right here, guys. I got about 6 fintech technology, companies right here. Nubank is at 4.6% short interest. Affirm, 8.1%. Hood, 3.1%. Lending Club, 3.2%. PayPal, 2.2%. SoFi, 13.9%. Do you see what is going on right now? SoFi just grew its revenue $100 million. EPS up 100%. And they are the most shorted company out of this list by far, guys. That is why you're seeing this stock multiply up faster and faster every single week, because these guys are scrambling to get out. And that is why the stock just continues to go up. And it can go up a lot higher from here, because this is going to take another 3 to 6 months for these guys to get their, short interest down to a reasonable level. I don't think it's I think it's fine to short, 3 to 6%, but this is just making it too easy here, guys. My price target is 22. You got two analysts on Wall Street at 16 and 19. I think these guys are kind of, following the stock. I'm telling you right now, if SoFi lands a technology, play for a Galileo, this is it, guys. The market is going to flood into the stock. They're not going to give a damn about what analysts on Wall Street are doing or saying. The stock is just going to, rip to new highs if we land a Galileo technology partner with a legacy bank institution, guys. It's going to be the home run. And I'm not even betting on that. I'm just betting on the loan platform business for Q4 freaking crushing these estimates that we have to see. And take a look at this, guys. We have 9 out of 10 green trading days in a row. This is the last 2 weeks. Do you see what is happening with these short sellers trying to cover? We go up almost every single day and they're still shorted out of this world right now. So think about it. We're going up with short interest having to cover. They got to cover for the next 3 to 6 months. We have analysts on Wall Street that are delusional, thinking SoFi is going backwards in Q4, $20 million in revenue backwards, and 2 cents EPS backwards. And now I'm going to show you what the CEO of SoFi is actually saying. I trust in management. You already know, guys, you've been following me for a while. The big bonus comps, $45 stock price by the mid 2026. And that's what these guys are going for.
Execute, execute, execute. But it is really rare to hear a CEO say they don't see clouds on the horizon. And you told Barron's yesterday, I thought this was really interesting. You said in 2025, you don't see headwinds. That's pretty bold, isn't it? What's really backing that?
It is. We have navigated through a really tumultuous environment every year since I joined in 2018. 2018 rates were going up for the first time in almost a decade. We then hit 2019, and the Fed abruptly stopped raising rates. Then the pandemic hit, which led to a recession and an overnight drop in interest rates by 150 basis points. Then the student loan moratorium that lasted 3 years, 2 years longer than it needed to, which really damaged our student loan refinancing business. And then, of course, we faced a 500 basis point rate increase environment over the last 2.5 years. The reason why I said we have wind at our back and why we're looking to 2025 is we're likely going to be in a declining rate environment, which puts wind at our back in a number of our businesses that have not been growing as fast, specifically home loan refinancing and student loan refinancing. But in addition to that, if we have a strong economy, we'll continue to see strong spending in checking and savings and credit card, as well as people looking to invest even more if they can't get a great return on their savings account in a declining rate environment. And then last, a number of companies have really put off the technology upgrades they need in order to meet their regulatory requirements, as well as the incremental risks of fraud and all the AI implications. And so we see a surge in the tech spending as well.
I would imagine.
This is it, guys. I'm telling you right now, this is it. You want to be inside of SoFi stock the entire 2025. I'm writing this out a little bit further, of course, but this is the year, guys. This is the big year that we've been waiting for, and I see people continuously selling out right now at the end of 2024. The stocks ran up too much. They don't realize what is about to happen. This company is going to grow faster from 2024, and we could potentially land a Galileo technology big player in the legacy banking space. And this is it, guys. If we land that and we see 30% growth next year, the stock's gone. It's gone. It's not coming back. Hope you do your DCAing in time because, I've been doing that for the past 2 years. This is it. This is the quarter we've been waiting for. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. I'm telling you right now, 2025 is SoFi's year. As you can see, the CEO has been executing for the past, 4 years as a public company. But this is the first time he has came out and said, 2025, we have wind at our back in a declining rate environment as long as the economy stays strong. This is going to be the home run year, guys. I'm telling you right now, the stock is going to make massive multiple expansion with that loan platform business accelerating. I'm telling you right now, I just saw 20 SoFi commercials in the past 2 days. Why are they doing that? I believe the loan platform business is going to skyrocket. They're underwriting for other companies right now, getting their capital at risk and not SoFi's own capital, guys. This is it. If we land a Galileo technology partner in the legacy banking space, this stock is gone, okay? You will not get it at a lower level again. It's going to be gone. They will run this thing up for 3 to 6 months if they show that the transition is finally happening from legacy institutions to modern cores. which is what SoFi offers. So be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Once again, I want to thank you guys for all the support. I upgraded my quality, so I hope you guys really see an increase in quality and audio and stuff like that, picture. So I couldn't do that without you guys. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a great day.